YouTube? We back with another video, picking up another car from AutoNation. This time we got a 2014 Ford Fusion. This one ain't got no tags, but it's okay. I think it has a bad alternator or a bad battery, because when I jump start it and take the jumper cable off of it, it won't stay running. So I literally had to keep the jump box on there while I drove it up onto the U-Haul trailer. And so when I got an alternator ordered, I'm gonna take the old one out, have it tested. If that one's no good, I'm gonna put the new one in, recharge the battery, or actually I have the battery tested as well, make sure the battery is okay. And if I could eliminate the battery and the alternator, if those are one of those are the cause of the electrical problem it's having, then I'll go ahead and fix that. Real simple. Then this one ready to go. I can just clean it up and just sell it. Well, once the title come in. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm not looking at any cars today. I had some on my list, but a sale fell through. It didn't come through, so I'm not gonna look at no cars today. I already got 3 of them for sale, so it don't make no sense to buy another one right now. But all right, man, I'll see y'all later when I get back. Maybe y'all see some more videos on this car when I change the alternator and get it ready for sale. Peace.